first problem is the mindset that one size fits for all. We need a more personalized strategy so that we can adjust the learning methods according to the students' needs. The second problem that students are facing is memory retention. Many students complain that we have read all the things, but when it comes for memory retention, they tend to forget the things. And the third problem is of affordability and accessibility. So we, an Edtech startup, have endeavored to solve these kind of problem by implementing some measures in our business model. Here are some of the measures we implement in our business model. The first is the AI adaptive question engine. Now first the artificial intelligence would assess the level of the student and then based on that give the student personalized question so that if the student lacks basics, then the student can improve on it and then come back to the original question which the student couldn't solve. This AI model will also give personalized explanation. We have also trained this AI model to give explanation in mother tongue language so that students can learn better and efficiently. The second thing we have adopted, we have talked with many psychologists and we have designed efficient active recalling flashcards that deploy certain color combination and diagrams that help students recall faster. We have also developed certain models that I will explain further, which tends to remind the student the concept before they tend to forget based on the scientific data which we have researched on. We have also implemented some conceptual animation videos to explain student complex concept through videos so that students can understand and retain better. Because if student sees an animation, then he would be understanding it better. Then it's not only about MCQ exams. Students also face board exams and written exams also. So our AI answer sheet analysis, what students write their exam, write the answers and upload it, and our AI system then filters and tells suggestions to the students. This is based on the answer key provided by the respected organization, or we also analyze topper answer sheet for further insights on evaluation status. We also have quick revision formula sheets, and this is our main point of attraction when we attract most of the students. We provide zero cost doubt solving engine. So we have already trained AI with all the standard questions, answers of the standard textbook and popular textbook available in market. So our free users get this zero cost doubt resolution where the AI itself gives them answer, but our paid users then get an additional facility to connect with the tutor ahead. So these are some of our models that we have implemented to solve the problem.
There are other companies like
Yes.
and some other not much popular now, but earlier they were like
Yes.
So have you done any competition?
Yes, we have done competition analysis. Most of the current Edtech company like PitchX, Khan Academy, Byju's, they have tried to implement this AI assistant feature in their respective apps where we can ask doubts and then get results. But they haven't implemented this adaptive practice engine that we have designed. Like we give question to a student and then expect it to answer. But if a student fails, we don't only provide the solution. We have trained this model such that it will provide additional basic question based on the question that the student couldn't answer, so that the student can develop its basics and then it could then answer the original question. So that student. So this is our original idea.
Taken inspiration from any of these companies? What you just mentioned?
No, this is our original idea. As I already mentioned, that these companies have not implemented this model yet. These companies have implemented AI assisting models that will give answer to the questions whatever we have asked. But this model that we specifically assess the level of the student and then give questions according to it is our own original idea that none of the companies will have implemented.
So that is your US company, right?
Yes, yes. So these are sorry, Shams.
when they are solved. Have you heard about this AI box launched by Gyaneshwara?
Yes, I have heard.
Okay. Can you describe what they are that AI box is providing?
Like they are providing customized video lectures for students and animations so that a student can. Recently, Physics Wala have endeavored to make anime animations and all to provide content explanation to the student, the same concept that students require. But
So basically, they are heading towards this, right?
yes, they are ready. But they.
So what if there is like this launch features what you are proposing?
Yes, I said already that out of all the features I explained, the first feature hasn't been implemented. They are working on animations, physics wala, they are working on AI assistant. But the technology that I said, that analyzing the student's level and giving substitute question to make its basics stronger, that is our original idea and we have that patent. So even if
You
these
have the
yes, so even if, because it's our original idea. So even if these giants want to implement that, they have to first take our consent or
do you
have
have
it
any
in
copy of the patent? Can you show here?
currently, I have not brought it. But since it is our original idea, it is registered with us.
So the technology is your way.
Yes. This is how. This is the main thing that gives our students a personalized experience and holds our students and makes them active users. So this is some of the processes that we use to further achieve our goal. First, we use these techniques to assess the current state of the users. Then we also use reinforcement learning techniques. We also use LLM models to analyze the questions, to scan the entire PYQ set of any competitive exam or board exams, and then giving relevant questions, because there are some repetitive questions also, and in order to invent new questions in a new pattern that can have a brainstorming impact, we use these kind of models in our system. And if we talk about the total addressable market, so this particular value is an average value taken from various magazines and reports. The current preparations cap is 2.1 lakh crores, and our serviceable available market is 25,000 crores. And since we have started, currently we have 2 lakh users, from which 10% are paid users. So we have 20,000 paid users currently right now. So we are targeting for increasing it to 80,000 paid users, and our target revenue is 100 crores. So our serviceable obtainable market for the second year after you are invested is 100 crores. And if we talk about our unit economics, then cost per customer annually is around 1200. So currently we are using cloud AI and support. So and the total COGS is 2.4 crores, and the annual revenue is 8.4 crores. I would like to explain how this 8.4 crores is divided. So we have two kinds of subscription in our model.
The sharks may start to build in which we could use.
We offer quarterly plans and we offer yearly plans. So the yearly users consist of 6 crores, and the quarterly plan users give us 2.4 crores revenue, to add up to 8.4 crores revenue currently. And these are some of our growth metrics. We have a good ratio, LTV to CAC ratio of 8.4, which tells us.
This 8.4 crore is the real data, or you have expected this?
No, this is real data. I said currently we have 20,000 paid users and 2 lakh registered users on our application. So this is real data.
When did you start the company?
3 years ago.
Yes.
Yeah. Like when I was doing my undergraduate course, so this particular idea came in my mind since
What is your educational background?
I have done BTech in aerospace engineering from IST. So while doing it, we were exposed to these kind of things like deep learning, artificial intelligence. So these were the skill set I developed side by side. I was in second year. Sorry.
Which year you were currently?
I have passed out. I have done my UG. Yes. And after that, I have like in my third year, I had started doing this and then established a company, and now it has been 2 years, and we have reached till here from scratch. Most of my teammates are from IST only because we combined.
Can you show me the team?
Currently, I don't have the image.
Can you explain that team?
So IST had started this CSE branch. Ask to start the response.
This complete thing is. Yeah, tell you.
So this is the screenshot of our application where users the application is there. Yes, yes. We are mainly online based service providers. So if we now talk about our marketing strategy, first of all. So
Marketing is okay. First, tell me your technology. What model you have implemented, and what kind of data you have created, the database. Okay. And what is the tech stack? Just explain it for us.
okay. So we have used hybrid AI model technology. Like we have implemented deep learning. We have implemented
Which
LLMs.
model?
Wait. So for user modeling, we have implemented this strategy called Bayesian knowledge tracing and deep knowledge tracing. These are the first one is the statistical method, and the other one is mathematical method. These methods assess the user level and then predicts what kind of like these models will only assess the user level. Then we have implemented this adaptive recommendation technique in which we have implemented reinforcement learning process. This Bayesian knowledge tracing and deep
I
knowledge
can see
tracing.
a real exception process. Okay. What data you have chosen according to your data, and what kind of data you are using?
We have mainly fed our databases with data like the past years questions, then the questions from the all the standard textbook, popular textbook that are there in the market. We have also consulted some of the experts to.
This is you are mentioned that you are doing the user modeling. Then how this previous year paper and all has helped you?
Like we said now that in our business model we are also giving a doubt support, and for this we need a PYQ data set and
I'm just asking about the features you have taken for the user modeling. What are the features you have taken for the user modeling?
like we assess the level of the user, then we for assessing we give the questions to the user, right? So for that question framing we need a already existing data set of PYQs or standard
Yeah,
questions.
that is for the serving part.
Yes.
Okay, you are serving the question. That is your server. Okay.
Yes.
And server is serving the question. But before serving, go to that slide. Okay, which question you have to serve? You have to first classify that question.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So for the classification, you need this user modeling.
Yes.
So my question is, what kind of features you have used for the user modeling?
So in our app, only the student decides which grade it belongs to, and
Grade is one thing.
grade is one thing. Then it will
Just
select
tell me 5 major features. Okay. Yeah, grade.
grade. Then it will select the subject, which subject it wants to currently work on. Then it will also select the target competitive exams or the target board exam strategy. Then it will like after that we give them a set of catalog where which they will select the chapters which they are strong at and the chapters which they are weak or moderate at. And based on that, the strong chapters we will give tough questions, for moderate, and for weak chapters we will give basic questions.
They will select.
Yes, they will select.
You are not productive.
first we need to ask the user that which chapters they are good at. It's just a preliminary.
What is your data pipeline and what are you producing the recommendation output and the user interest and the feature expectation?
Buffer times
What
two.
features you are using?
Sorry,
For classifying the questions, you need features.
Yes.
Okay, of the question.
yes.
Okay, and you have to predict the level of users.
Yes.
The user cannot tell I am 70% good at mathematics.
No, that's why I said that we did it in two ways. First, we will ask the user
Yeah, that is
which
clear.
chapter.
That is the
Then,
second part.
then
Second part
after,
is okay. Explain me this part.
which part you want?
The AI driven part and this pipeline you have shown.
Okay. So after user interaction, we will know the current level of the users.
Yeah, how?
And I told that there are two methods being employed. The first method I just now explained. Second method is after that we provide questions to the user based on the chapter that they have selected and based on the performance of the user. Then we
Okay, so performance is your mind.
yes. So based on the performance, we then decide our AI model decide the level of user because as you already said.
Exactly, that's what I was asking. Okay, performance and what are the other features?
First we set the grade.
No, that is what leave it. That is the first. I want this AI part because this is your USP.
Yes.
So I just want to know what are the features you are using for your USP.
Okay.
Performance.
Then we are also assessing the time that the user takes to answer the question.
Okay.
Uh,
Time to solve the problem. Okay.
yes. Then for written exams, we also provide written exam help. So for written exam, we are also assessing the expression or the way user is able to express its thoughts.
Which model you have implemented for this subjective analysis?
So what we have done, we have again used LLMs only, and we have
Where is your LLM part exactly executing in this pipeline?
here in content intelligence.
Content intelligence. So it will come in this pipeline where it will come.
This data pipeline shows the flow of data. These are the
So in
points.
this flow, where exactly the content intelligence will be executed?
Like first we will assess the user, then we will recommend whatever things are there, and after this is in the series only. Like this is first, second, third, fourth. This is the series we are following. That's why I have arranged it in this particular. So we have scanned the toppers sheets in our database, and then we have also referred to the official answer key which
So
is
you are comparing with the topper sheet
and
topper answer
not only topper answers, the answers key released by like CBSE and all, and then export verification. All these three things we are using to assess the written
Are
answer.
you providing the solution for UPSC also?
Like currently we have not included UPSC in our thing. We are mainly limited ourselves till 12 standards. Like
So you are not having any subjective answer
we have right
subjective for which
for board exam writers and for normal school examinations, they need to write the answers in subjective papers. So for that we are mainly focused.
and which NLP model you use for that?
Sorry.
Which NLP model you have used for that?
Like
NLP model any particular NLP model you have used?
like currently I'm not able to recall the name, but
Okay, fine.
Okay, so how do you do the advertising?
right. So we try to use Google Ads first to give the students like to reach the target audience, and then after that we have also paid on some to some websites like Learn CBSE and all to host our application advertisement on their websites. Additionally, we have also reached schools and colleges to like if they like our model, they can further translate it
Are
to
you
their
having a web app or Android app?
sorry.
Are you having a web app or Android app? Or iOS also you have
Like currently this is an Android app.
only Android app?
Yeah.
This is not a web app. So I
No.
cannot access it on my browser in my computer.
No, it is application.
Only Android app.
Yes.
So platforms are very restricted in your
that restriction is just to protect our works and technology, because in market piracy and all it is also happening. So that is from our side security. But once
But the customer acquisition is very difficult, right? Because I just suggested for the market also that this Android application, installing Android application is cause a very large friction for customer acquisition, right?
No, we don't face that problem because we are storing data on cloud services and
The user will not install Android application. They are having a storage problem or maybe some other problem, so they don't prefer to install Android.
no, but our users definitely install our applications because of the personalized content and the facility we give to them. Because there are certain number of apps that we as students do install in our mobile, so we don't face that problem that due to storage. Because we also limit the amount of data that is stored in the mobile, so that the storage problem doesn't occur. So for this problem, we don't face any hurdle.
Thank you, Bhushan. Thank you for your time. Please, give a round of Yeah, please take your time for evaluation.
I'm saying this.
Hello.
Next up, esteemed last-minute programmers. Give them a huge round of applause.
A very good morning to the sharks. Well, let's be honest. There are a lot of ideas that have come up to this stage, and